Do you want extra crispy rice paper crab dumplings? Then stop soaking the wrapper in water. Try this trick instead. Combine crab meat, salt, white pepper, sesame oil, and scallions. Gently mix until combined. Crack an egg and beat it. Here's the trick to extra crispy rice paper dumplings. Most people use water to soften rice paper, but today we're doing something different. Place a sheet of rice paper flat. Lightly brush the beaten egg on both sides of the rice paper until softened and flexible. The egg transforms the rice paper, making it extra crispy. We'll show you the difference once it hits the pan. Add some filling near the bottom corner. Fold up the bottom, followed by the two sides toward the center, and fold it up all the way. Repeat with the rest. In a pan over medium heat, add oil. You can use any high smoking point oil like avocado, grapeseed, or peanut. Carefully place the dumplings in the pan. Pan fry for about 3 minutes per side until golden and crispy. Do you see that golden color? Yup, that's the egg doing its job. These rice paper crab dumplings are extra crispy and seriously hard to stop eating. If you also want to make rice paper shrimp dumplings, check out the video right here. Tell me, how many of these could you eat? From 1 to 10. Follow for more, and for more foolproof recipes, check out my cookbook. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in the next episode.